Step 1. Create an account. Go to Mero.com or download the app on your Google Play and sign up using your email or Google. Step 2. Create a new board. Click Create New Board. A blank whiteboard will appear. Step 3. Use basic tools. See lower part and click the plus sign. As you can see, here are the basic tools for the Mero app. The first one is text tool for labels and explanations. You can also use sticky notes for ideas. You can add text through here. And we can add on shapes. We have here different types of shapes here that we can use for presentation. We can also leave comment, and also we can use pen to draw whatever we want. In Mero app, we can make a document here. We can also upload photo, take a photo, or upload files. You can also adjust the size of the photo however you prefer. And the next side, frame. Here are the example of frame that I make. You can also take note. And also we have here a reactions. We can able to react. We have here like, heart, strike, bomb, confetti, and high. And we are done introducing some of the Mero app tools. And now let's proceed to the last step, which is the collaboration. As you can see on the upper part, you can see the 3 dots. Click the dots to be able to share the link. After clicking the dots, you can invite via email, or you can share link to your group mates so they can edit too. And also you can edit the file name. Just click the untitled and change it to your preferred file name. And that's it. Thank you for watching.